Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial, we're gonna learn how we can change our store name for our Shopify store. Alright, right now you can see in the tab we have the store name as test. This doesn't look very professional, so we're gonna change this to maybe our business name or website or something that are appealing to our customers. Alright, so to do this, we're gonna go to the back end of Shopify and make sure that you are logged in, and we're gonna go down to this one in the left sidebar, settings. Just click on settings, and in the left sidebar, make sure that you have store details checked. So we're gonna click on store details, and under store details, we see basic information. Alright, and now you can see that we have test right here as our store name, and to change this we're just gonna go to the right and click on edit. Under store name you're just gonna change this text to whatever you like. Alright, when you have changed your store name on Shopify, we're just gonna go to the top right corner and just click on save. That's it. Let's go back to the website and update the browser and see if it has changed. Like that, now we have a more appealing store name, health lifestyle. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. And also if you want more of these Shopify tutorials, subscribe, because in What's E-commerce Academy, I only create Shopify tutorials for beginners to advanced. Okay everyone, so subscribe, have an awesome day, take care and bye.